uyibhimbi lokukhuluma yethi ukuhola amabutho
angithi uyavuma angiyavuma uzokhula kancane demo kancane uyakhula thina siyalibona ushintsho kuye siyalibona thina ushintsho kuyena kancane uyashintsha siyalibona ushintsho thina kuyena siyambona siyabubona ubuholi siyabona uyalalela lo baba lo
Simano umhlisi cika kabi mina umuntu ongabona ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ubaluleke kabi emhlabeni balike ukudlula yonke into umuntu wesifazane umuntu ongahloniphi nje umuntu wesifazane ubaluleke kabi anginamzondo mina namadoda
usankinga labantu besifazane mara hloniphani uphaka lomthakathi
simhloniphe sithini
siyavuka kube wrong
simhloniphe sithini my feet on my feet
nina ni right nikhuluma
umuntu okwazi ukuthuka abantu besifazane abathuka ngokanti abathuke ngani athuke nabantu aba-wrong even nabantu abangazi lutho aba-innocent abathuke kahle sisi kahle ini wena unjeke lapho kuma-comment ubhlokhe leyo muntu uthi
akathuki umuntu wesifazane woke umuntu uyamthuka lo baba lo wrong akayi ukuthi abantu besifazane kuphela nabantu besilisa uma wenza wrong uyaphuka awuyabathuka ukuthi nje wena uyamzonda uma umzonda susifaka
no angimzondi mina angimzondi uphakela umthakathi ngizonda indlela akhuluma ngayo ngizonda indlela akhuluma ngayo ngizonda indlela akhuluma ngayo
ukukhuluma kabi kuphela that's all
niyamtshela niyamtshela indoko ngoba nisuke nithi hey hlangana
ngijabula abadayisa ama-drugs
into eniyaziyo
niyakujabulela lokho
nini esijabulelayo yini esijabulayo
kodwa sisawuhlisa inhliziyo hlisani bafowethu
hayi shwa but Vusi angithandi mina umuntu ongahloniphi umuntu wesifazane ubaluleke kabi okay isifani balwa necountry yabo anginankinga naloko nokulwa necountry mina but
yini kankinga inzondo engaka inzondo yini inzondo engaka angithi siyavuma ukuthi ube wrong kumele atshele ukuthi phela umthakathi ukhulume kabi
indaba nisintshela indaba zenu indaba nisibiza ngojelofini
sorry bafethu sicela ukukuveza naloko noba singena kushisa sicela ukukuveza naloko ukuthi kaloku kuba khona nama-provocation and uzobuka kahle kwezinye i-meeting angithi ngikhulumela uphakela umthakathi laphayana ukuwabona ama-addressa and then you find that mhlambe that corner that certain group let's say abantu abatsha abancinci uya-address abalibele badisturbile bayenza i-noise and they are against the spirit of addressing while they chose to be part of that march and then when they reach there they just disrupt they seems not to be impressed although they decided to join but however we cannot say the wrong is right wrong is wrong guys wrong is wrong we also look those emotions because at some point you find that kuyatravela kulama march unihambile almost boma 1.5 kilometer uyatsho nangalela la ukuthi babe kuleya building bajumpa baya kwenye building kunama-frustration nama-disorder ne-planning bantwana basekhaya let us not like I feel like for mina we want to grab the march in another way because what is raised the negativity the influence the goal even kwi-leadership ye-country even kuma-leaders esiwabonayo manje nakuRamaphosa makakhuluma izolo ukuthi it has to be addressed into yama-foreigner and akafuni futhi ukuthi not all foreigners illegally foreigners and uzokwazi ukuthi nalapha akaqhuquzeli ukuthi kube ne-violence angeke azaqhuquzela ukuthi kuliwe nabantu and uyacela ukuthi abantu bayenze sure ukuthi bayalalela vele siwabonile ama-campaign amaningi the people they were very positive because what do they want now to do the common goal is to address one issue so that we can check another solution enye ezayo siyibonile ipurpose ye-march ikudala ikhona from last year ku-March until namanje guys ku-March so what we are seeing is ngasicabanga ukuthi vefuze kwasekumosheke kakhulu we saw ukuthi khona i-negativity evelile we know ukuthi zihlala ziba khona izinto ezibhedayo ezingekho right with these marches however mawuzobuka the period ehanjwe i-march up to here now we have to congratulate siyakwazi ukubona i-Africa the entire continent ikhuluma ngalonto angeke guys siblame i-march yebo sis
yazi indlela engikwazi ngayo ukuthi uyayithanda i-march indlela engayo ukuthi uyayithanda i-march uthe uJacinta uphakela umthakathi akayona imatch and match. So thina besingakangeni nje kwi-match and match. Since nje besingakangeni kwi-match and match, besakhuluma ngebehavior kaphakela umthakathi.
Asibheke ke nayo ke guys. We'll analyze kakhulu ibehavior kodwa simbonile ukuthi impact ne direction ebekayenza uphakela umphakathi bekuyi positivity ukuncedisana nabantu base South Africa ne experience ayibonile nayo. We cannot run away sithi mangama manje sesizo highlighter kakhulu la kungenziwanga kahle guys. We have to go away with that mentality ukuthi nayo uphakela umthakathi with discipline yakhe le ekhalwa ngayo. I-discipline yakhe lekhalwa ngayo because uzobona ama-provocation ebekenziwa
ngiyephi la ikhona yenze kahle
naku guys swabonile
they leave the country. Where is the job? The one you're crying about, where is the job? Show us the proof. Where is
the jobs are already
ladies and
okay guys let us understand. The jobs are already yabona mangaba sisi ubone kahle the jobs asingakhulumi ngaloko asingicela ukuthi mina ngingabheki lelo cala angikakabheki kulezo ndawo zo job guys mina ngisabheke kuleli side li1 ukuthi into eright ebekumele yenzeke ebeyenziwa na kuuye uphakela umthakathi. I'm not
inkinga nginika imali wena uthi ngihambe nabo nginika imali ngihambe nabo anginangxaki nalokho anginangxaki nalokho ngoba ingxaki yeni ukuthi inkinga ngifuna utshela iqiniso yabona simane ukuthi
hey Minnie, I'm muting you. And then please guys use English, remember.
Okay, thank you. We'll use the, but for me guys, I'm just going to emphasize this point for me, for my thinking and for how I see things. For iside like aphakela umthakathi, I will not dwell too much to misbehavior as in zeal. Because the impact in the guy is great. And then the umthelela uyabona umthelela omuhle.
Count the impact, please. Can you count for just for me, not Minnie, just for me? Count the impact. Then Phakela umthakathi, the one that you are talking about. I think that there's 700 and something people here, whatever people, 170 something. Just count for us the impact and put us in mind. What is that they've done right? Just put us in mind so that we can see a bigger picture of this impact we are counting. Because right now we are talking about how our feelings have been whatever, and then you are just like, I feel like you guys, you always undermine that side. You want us to leave that side and then go and celebrate.
You must check first here. We must check here. Ngiyakuzwa kahle sis. But first we must check ukuthi iziphi izinto. Why do we guys always seems ukuthi utarget a certain group like uyamuzwa usisimini ezansi ukuthi uthini. So mina to you, straight to you wena engikhuluma nawo host. Mawucabanga wena, why kuvele kube ukuthi uphakela umthakathi uvele abe direct athi kuyophiswana ngamawewe wabo like lento beyikhulunywa usisi uzwile ukuthi bekayibeka kanjani. Why? Because kuzike kunezinkulumo eziprovoke that need ukuthi kuphendulwe regardless ukuthi ukukhulunywa kanjani, and inhloso ngaleso sikhathi kuzike zizokwenzakala lonto leyo. People abagcina babheka blame that uphakela umthakathi thing all insizwa kuzika kuabantu besifazane abajola nabantu bangaphandle abanabantwana ekhaya, which is angeke sithi i-wrong or i-right ayikho wrong, because is a flood of illegal immigrants in the country. Is a flood of illegal immigrants in the country, and then being normalizing the abnormal situation that we are seeing. Our brothers is using powder, our brothers is seeking discipline, the indigenous culture is losing in the country. There was a lot, guys. There is a lot is happening, and we cannot say when we're fighting that.
Yes, you know why ningazombona uphakela umthakathi ba urongo, because lento kunini cimfana ba yiculture kahle lento yinane yokudelela abafazi kunini yenza iculture kuthi ke sithemba.
No, this is not the right thing.
That is why you are standing here.
Can I say this?
Uyakhasa umntana xa ekhasa makayokhasa lapha kuthi asikhasi kule country yandiva
imake sisimamela ke sisi angisho ukuthi
yena akakabi nayo imbeko makaphume uyayiqonda akazusimela thina uzawumela the fools that are like you guys and people who are taking
your emphasize at this point
your culture, these people culture yeyoba bahlukumeza abafazi, and they are women are enjoying because most of women thinking that I am obeying to my husband. For us that is not a culture, kuni culture. That is why nimthethelela.
Ana sisi ngicela ukuveza leli point eli1 angimthetheleli for wrong ngicela ukuveza leli point eli1 ngini nonke la ngicela ukuveza leli point eli1 guys no we are not going to do it
nina into enisibonisa yona into abafazi benu nina niyabahlukumeza. That is why when you talk to all the women ithetha ngehlobo. That is why you are standing here today usixelela ba hayi uphakela umthakathi izininzi, so we should overlook izinto ezenziwe nguphakela umthakathi in meaning
uyakhulu wena mntana sekhaya. Okay, can I go off ramp kancane ngiphume kancane kulento oyisho ngithi kuwe sisi wena ukhuluma isiXhosa uthetha isiXhosa ungowase Eastern Cape right uthetha isiXhosa ndizakukhumbuza into encinci bangakanani abantwana abanabotata abangaphandle abakhulele Eastern Cape abahamasemakhaya yet is a respect because we never question our sisters when they bring those kids abotata abangaphandle siyabakhulisa abantwana bethigazi lethu angikhondona ukuthi uphakela umthakathi adelele akhulume kabi angeke ngikusho lokho but we need to check ukuthi you guys that is why you will do anyway anything is to favor or to maneuver any situation ezovela kuphakela umthakathi negativity because we know a majority of you have benefited a lot kuma foreign boyfriends. Now that is why you always shift
yes, you have benefited a lot nina kubantu abamhlophe. Tina we differ there. Tina we choose what blacks when you choose to benefit in whites. That is the difference.
Yeah, but we cannot say even does it right.
When you chase, let me tell you. That is why Nina, when you choose to chase illegal immigrants, you do not see that a white person, or you do not see that there are whites here who are here illegally. To you think that it's also all the criminals are blacks. You overlook that here recently. There was something that was said by Amapolisa that they found a farmer with Mexicans and Ilendo Iburas. You will never match for that, can you?
No, Nadella, but Sisi, can you understand the match and match? It's not only for one people.
Sorry putwam number one nje kulabantu abakhomenda la sekuningi esengikuzwile kulosiso la lapho osekuqaleni lo usisiyanga uyambona number 1 uthi abantu zifull lo muntu nje qala nje is a red flag ngapho ugxeka uphakela umphakathi kodwa ubiza abantu
you will be a fool to me if uthethelela umuntu ohlukumeza umfazi you will be a fool and nothing else but a fool.
Uthi is a fool angithi ubiza abantu ngezilima kodwa ngapho ubona uphakala phakathi umthakathi enjani engumuntu orong. We understand.
And when if we are tethelela, you will be a fool to me.
Uzo improve umthakela umthakathi uzoba
okay.
Against
usakhasayo uza improve
sizomlandela sokusala ngomlandela noba ngomlandeli wena uhlakaniphile.
Umlandela kaloku uzawulandelwa zifuze ezifana nawe because you do the same.
Umlandeli wena uhlakaniphile wena uhlakaniphi umlandeli. Wena uhlakaniphile mna inhlonipho ayikho okwangiva mangikhuluma igama lokuthi fool kubantu uyabonakala ukuthi awuqeqeshanga kokwenu.
You are a fool to stand before me and telling me that mnyamezeleni ukuthema semnyamezele.
Number 1, can I answer this?
That mnyamezeleni
but is he fool?
Yima futhi masithethe kahle masihlisa umoya. How do you tell women that umuntu disrespect ohlukubeza abafazi ngelahlo othetha kanje uthi wena sipha mnyamezeleni uzaba right? How do you say that and you want me to say that you clever?
Ngithena mina kuwe sisi mamela ngithe sisi uphakela umthakathi wenze amaphutha nginotisile ukuthi uphakela umthakathi maningi amaphutha banawenza the more abantu becomplain uyashange kancane izinto eziniki uyashange uphakela umthakathi uzothi abe yilento esiyifunayo
usakhasa ke
agree ukuthi ukhulumeka
usakhasa
thina sizwile siphatheke kabi mangendlela akhulume ngayo ukuthi sobabili nawe ukuthi wena unenzondo ophakela umthakathi uthina sizweka
so that I can come off.
You understand umehluko wethu phithini soba u2 sizwile umzimzwile nami mayikhuluma umphakela umthakathi kulo wasisi ngaphatheka bad but inkinga yami ukuthi angimzondo uphakela umthakathi wena umzwile kanti unenzondo ngaphakathi that's all. Umehluko wethu sobabili
phakela nayo unenzondo nayo self man
nansi nayo phakela. Okay guys mina ngizongena ngale point ngicela ukucacisa le point. there is this thing, okay, ukuthi engi-understandela emphakathini njengoba sikhona now. Some other people are defending with emotions because they've benefited on the other side. And some other people are defending because they've benefited on the other side too. For example, I will talk about my experience, my only experience on my side. First of all, when we are addressing, especially once you become part of the general meeting or that group of people and there's an address in there, you don't vocally voice out what you are not happy while the meeting was not for a council meeting, debate meeting. Because if ulalela kahle uphakela umthakathi lapha is addressing kwi-march actually kuyi-program ya-ongoing la ayenzayo ney'nsizwa zakhe. Therefore now the group of people who decided to join to be part of that address baveza bona ungabi happy nalowo ukuze babonakalise disrespect. Yet again, when you check iy'nkulumo eziphoswa kuphakela umthakathi yabanye abantu, you find ukuthi there's a lot of disrespect emphushelayo ukuze azakhulume kanje, because the emphasizing goal kuphakela umthakathi lapha kula conversation, you will see ukuthi is only leading to the discipline. Yes, ukhulume seke khuluma kabi, but the purpose of addressing ngalandlela beka addresswa ngayo beke addressa i-discipline. Yet because we don't want to see what you are fighting for, we try to find excuses or build another narrative agenda associating or coming closer to the march and march or phakela umthakathi's purpose for the people. So therefore, vele ngilindele ukuthi sizobona lokho sikubonayo, but mina nje for me guys, it was wrong ukuthi ukhulume kanjana, it was wrong ukuthi ukhulume kanjana, but yena i-purpose is right.
Uyadifenda nyani nawe into enzima xa umuntu right
Vusi ngicela ukubuza into eyodwa nje, ngicela ukubuza into enye bhuti wami, ukuthi uphakela umthakathi uchaza ukuthini methi umuntu wesifazane kumele aguqe inkosi meyikhuluma uyinkosi because thina sazi inkosi enyeya kaZulu
akashonga
ezinkosi cela unginbox
mamela makakhuluma pha
stop there.
Ima ngicela uphendule lapho ukuthi uthini uthi ukhuluma kahle ima ndingi-emphasizele le ndawo oyikhulumayo kanye uthi uphakela umthakathi umuntu wesifazane angayibheki ngisho ukuyibheka inkosi makwaba ku-address inkosi kodwa yena akazange asho ukuthi uyinkosi yena akazange asho ukuthi uyinkosi ndati uzekelisile lapha
ukude phambili
whoa, let me ask something, Vusi.
Yes.
Must I get you videos where our king is talking and everyone is standing? Must I find
lalela sisi kudependa mamela ke
lapho sikhombise la le video sishoyo sibone le camera
ngicela ukubekela lana sisi ukuthi mawuzothi abantu bastand kudependa apho ku-addresswa yabona makusenkosini kusenkundleni yasenkosini bahlala phansi vele abantu abawomama kodwa mangaba ku-addresswa kukwi-public njengalapha angithi ngisakuphendula ngoku ninginike i-platform yokuphendulwa ngoku mangaba ku-addresswa kuyi-public kunjengalapha yakuba nesizotha enkosini njengoba uyubone ale kukhuluma eqala amakomiti before ikhuluma inkosi ngoba mangabe uke wathetha inkosi ikhuluma nakhona uyaxinwa kwakhona.
Iman guys iman molweni kuqala
bafowethu mina ngicela ukuthi nje
sorry English back, you just that this nje. You know what, Vusi, there is a way of talking to people. You guys were going to defend it and defend it. Since I grow up as a Zulu woman, there is a way of talking.
Can I correct here? I'm not defending any wrong. But if you hear the speech, the narrative speech, can I answer here? I'm not defending.
Mina ngikhuluma akekho umuntu ofanele ukuthi akhulume njengamanje. You know, that is wrong. We don't have to be just screaming. We just talk about something that was wrong and then you guys will go mad because you want to explain something that is wrong and make us now look like a villain that we are saying it's wrong. If you are
sorry.
if you grow up in a Zulu kingdom,
I just want to finish this part and then I'm done. Let me finish this part, then I'm done.
Sana yima
No,
man.
my position is this, guys. I'm not defending the wrong speech. I'm not defending the wrong speech.
But now we are
I'm pulling off. Let me emphasize this point, then I'm pulling off. Let me emphasize this point, I'm pulling off. I'm not defending the speech. I'm not saying the speech was correct. I'm not saying the type of address was correct either. What I'm trying to emphasize here is that while he was addressing, he was doing that mistake. According to my understanding, he was only sending the discipline without even aware the insult that is there and how big it is. And I'm not going to say he was right about that. Now, but if you check the narrative, the way he was addressing was only emphasizing the disturbance to deliver his speech. Thank you.
Bruce, thank you so much, my brother. Can I put you down? How old is this Phakile Mthakathi we are talking about? That the people they can say you cannot know what is wrong that is coming out of his mouth.
Sis Mano, yes, Sis Mano, you see, these people they are busy here calling us about Jolofino. Jolofino mkhulu wokuqala uyena Phakile Mthakathi, uyena owaphendla indlela owavula indlela pha. Ngoba ngathi senilibele ukuthi Jolofino na uJolofino mkhulu Phakile Mthakathi bejona no Zimbabwean woman. Nonsense.
About Jolofino.
Yintoni ukutya kwasezimbe nani? Yintoni idishi yasezimbe?
Tomolina. Don't take away Tomolina. How? You're going to call me Jolofina? I'm not Jolofina. I'm Kwangafina. Phakathi is Tomolina.
Oh, Tomolina, Tomolina wabo. Yini engabatshela ukuthi kunjani pha bahambe bayotesta nabo. Ngele lapha mechaza lapha.
Manzafina. Someone's writing Manzafina. I think it's some food there. It's Manzafina. Hello, Kodisa. Hello, Kodisa.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
Kunjani?
Okay, let's go back to the topic.
Right now.
Good.
Yeah, hayi ndiyaniva itopic yini.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, my brother, welcome, my brother.
Hayi. Okay, yeah, ndiyaniva itopic yini. But ndinombuzo mna oyi-1. uPhakile Mthakathi, okay, masithi urongo ke. Because asiyazi isizathu esibangela uba enze la hlobo. But amaZulu bekufanele kanti aya-understand because i-culture yawo ayayazi ihamba njani.
Hamba njani bafo?
Okay, number 1. Hayi andingomZulu mna ndiza kuxelela ngesiXhosa i-culture. Wena ungumZulu bekufanele uyayazi ukuthi ithini into xa kuzawuthethwa ngumuntu oyinkosi wenu. Uyabo uyichazile uPhakela so nina bayaziyo.
Okay.
Yes. So ke ngoku apha number 1 usisi apha ezantsi uyacomplaina uthi kumke i300 Ghanaians. Ziphi ijob ze300 Ghanaians? Kubani ozaziyo abezisebenza apha eza Ghanaians? If ibizi drug dealers kuzawuthwani? Uyayibo?
Use powder please.
Okay, so if bezingu powder ke bekuzawuthwani? So uyayibona lonto leyo. So apha ndicela into enye.
Uxolo ukuqhawula emlomeni. Uxolo ukuqhawula emlomeni. Imasis Mano, uxolo ukuqhawula emlomeni. Is not everyone is doing powder job, brother. Ne, and when I trying to understand that thing, there back there, bayenzile ukusesha baseshile before la Ghanaian ahambe. For sure they know the truth. It's just because you don't want to come up with the plan, guys. That's all. You don't want me to one way.
Sisi su expressa i-anger zakho, i-anger issues zakho zibeke ecaleni apha siya debate. There is no point of we need to fight each other.
Let's go
Your
back
anger
to the
issues put aside here.
Oh my goodness.
But why always amadoda afuna ukuthi kuzuye wona ahlule ukulalela usisi lapha enzansi?
English, please. People are crying about English in the comment section.
Okay, my host. Okay.